This is the Tupen T01. What is this thing, guys? It's a professional 2 terabytes of SSD that you can use to hook it up on your iPhone and record ProRes video, 4K, 60 FPS, but also, right, any type of video. And in this video, I'm gonna be testing this. Now, this is not the first time I'm testing devices like this. I also tested the Zyte, which is a pretty good one, and I use it, and also the 1 terabyte portable SSD drive by iPro. But in this video, I'm gonna be testing the Tupan T1. This thing not only looks cool, it has a USB-C 3.2 connection, a cooling fan, an LSD display, and also a aluminum enclosure. So let's put this on my review table, let's buckle up and start the video. Let's now unbox and see what we got here from Tupan. Again, it's a 2 terabyte drive, professional portable SSD for ProRes 4K 60 to 120 FPS video recording, guys. And just take a look at this. It has a size of 2 terabytes, which is a monster. Very clean box, Tupan logo here. Some more information on the back. Saving ProRes videos for phones require iPhone 16, 15 Pro Max, and etc. Without any further ado, let's try to unbox and see what we have inside the box. Alright, one box here, another box. The first box is the device itself. Okay, here we are. Yep, this thing should be MagSafe compatible, USB-C. Right, by the way, there is an opening here. If you wonder why, guys, active cooling. So there is indeed a fan inside to help cool your SSD when you're writing to it. With these ProRes videos, it's like this. And then we have the drive itself. In the other card box, we have a very nice and soft carrying pouch, which makes sense, guys, because this thing isn't a cheap device. Remember, it's a 2 terabyte version, so this one will set you back with 300 USD, so it's indeed a lot of storage. Also, guys, we have these 2 cables that you can use to attach it to the back of your phone. Later I'm gonna show you how, but first things first. So let's take an iPhone 16 Pro Max, right? You can directly mount this thing on the back of your phone, and this is where these cables make sense, because you can just hook them up to the device. And then let's take an iPhone 16 Pro Max, guys. All right, what we can do now is just stick the cable on the back, boom. Now everything should be okay. I can see, by the way, the device is booting already. So Tupan logo there. Oh, wow. Very nice LED. And also, this device, as I think you already noticed, has an own LSD display. So what is the information that we are able to see? So first things first, we have the connection speed, we have the storage size, we have the lifespan of the SSD, the temperature, and right now, because I'm not recording, we're drawing something like a half watt here, and this here is the current. You can see the voltage and also the amps. Now let's go back on the phone, and we can already see accessory connected, unlock iPhone to use accessory. But also what I'm gonna do, guys, I am just going to remove it from the cable here, and I'm going to also show you the other option for attachment. And yep, this is also very common. You can, boom, just stick it like this, and then accessory connected. Let's enter my iPhone. And now that we have connected the Tupen SSD drive to my iPhone, we are already drawing 1.7 watts. Now, guys, how do you operate with this device? It's very easy, guys. Just open the camera, go to video. From the video, click here on the ProRes, and you can go and choose also the FPS. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm going to get 4K 120 FPS. How do I know that I'm recording this ProRes video on my iPhone? Well, we can see USB-C here. And also, guys, now while we're recording, we can see we're drawing more power. Now the device is drawing 2 watts, and we have also some new nice indicators. There is indeed the read speed, which is not utilized right now because we are recording video with the camera, and we do have also the writing speed. And as you can see, it's almost 350 megabytes per second. This thing here, 47 Celsius, this is the temperature. We still have the connection speed, guys, and here we have the lifespan of the SSD and the size. Now, something very cool about this device, it does support PD charging, guys. I do believe it's 27 watts. So right now, when I can still use that USB-C port. Wait, actually, let me show you. Those are my external microphones. How does this work? You have to put this inside your phone, and you have to stick this somewhere. This is the microphone. This is actually the second microphone. Now, what I'm gonna do, guys, right, I'm gonna take the microphone, I'm gonna put it here, right, on the USB-C from the Tupen. And guys, how do we know we are connected, right? At some point, we need to get an indication green. All right, and by the way, we can see we have green. Also, are you connecting a pair of headphones? And I'm gonna put here other device so that it does know it's a microphone. So I am recording ProRes 4K 120 FPS right now, guys. USB-C here indicator, and we are drawing power directly from the Tupen device, and we can see it's almost hitting 3 watts. And how do we know, guys, we're really using here the device? Well, we can also see the writing speed. So not only is now my iPhone recording the ProRes with the highest available settings, but I'm also using the USB-C port from the SSD drive to power my microphone that is connected with this green light. As simple as that, by the way. When I go inside my gallery, I'm going to see devices, Tupen SSD. When I click it, guys, I'm able to see all the ProRes video that I did. And yes, believe it or not, there is indeed a fan inside. You can only hear this when you just put your ear here, right? Absolutely silent. I really, really love it. And now it's time to test the speed of the Tupen SSD. So I'm gonna go and use the maximum setting here, a 5 GB test size, and I'm gonna leave the chunk size with 2 MB, guys. So now 1, 2, 3, let's do it. Gonna do the start. By the way, guys, when you're not touching the screen, it's going to turn off, which kind of makes sense. Oh, we are hitting almost 800 megabytes per second almost for, I think, the write speed, and the read speed is almost 900. So yeah, it's actually really enough for most of the video formats, if not all, guys. Specifically for ProRes 4K 120, it's going to be absolutely enough. So 774 megabytes write speed and 886 megabytes read speed. This is going to be absolutely enough. Here you can see the location is the Tupen SSD. Now, some words about the drive, guys. I think it feels nice, it feels well built, and also, guys, it is very light in the hand. And I really like the fact that it comes with its own carrying pouch. Here, guys, 2 separate storage spaces, one for the drive and also one for your cables, because remember, you might want to use the Tupen drive on the back. And voila, in your pocket now, 2 additional terabytes of storage. Let me quickly show you the charging capabilities. PD charging with 27 watts. The moment, guys, you hook up your phone, charging starts. And also very important, guys, now we have different statistics. You can see the power, you know, from the charger to your phone. So we're now charging with almost like 20 watts. So the charging power and also the current, you can see the voltage and the amperes here. And all the other info is still in place, the temperature, the lifespan, the storage size, and also the connection speed. Now pay attention, the moment, boom, that I stop it, guys, it's going to recycle, power on and power off again the drive. So this is very important, guys. If you're using this to shoot ProRes video, right, don't try to charge it at the same time, right, because then it's going to power cycle and you might want to lose your video. But what happens when we start charging it? Right now phone is charging. Can we go back to our camera and shoot ProRes? This is what I want to test right now. Let's go and do ProRes, and let's go for the sweet 4K 120. Absolutely. So not only am I charging it right now, but I am also shooting a video, and now boom, the information changed again. So we can see the charging speed here and a power like 19 watts, and we can also see the writing speed to the drive itself. Definitely a nice thing to have in your pocket, not only if you want to shoot ProRes videos, guys, but also, you know, just as a storage drive. But the main idea for that beast really is to help you in your videography. So if you want to go really and use the max potential of ProRes 4K 120 FPS, this thing here is 2 terabytes, guys. It's a monster size. I definitely will recommend the Tupen. So check out the link down below in the video description, guys. And if you like this video, please go on and watch some of the others. Thank you so much. VST over and bye.